Hey Jen, you want to try a burger? Hey everyone, my name is Billy and I'm going to show you how to make a quinoa broccoli burger. So you only need three main ingredients. We need to have broccoli, shredded broccoli, number one. Number two, cooked quinoa. And three, some sort of egg binder. So if you want to make it vegan, I suggest using this just egg. You can get it at Whole Foods, or you can just use one whole egg. That's it. For equipment, all you're going to need is a pan. So what I have right here is a cast iron pan, but you can use a non-stick if you're more comfortable with a non-stick pan. This is my go-to. So to get things started, we're going to take our bowl of broccoli and we're going to add our quinoa to that. So I suggest season in layers with salt. You can add a little bit in the beginning, middle, and end before you start cooking your vegan burger. Also, you can take any spice that you're comfortable with in your cabinet and add it to this mix. And I decided to pick out my favorite one. It's called Musa. It has orange peel, garlic, cilantro, coriander. It's super bright, super flavorful. It's gonna be good with this. So we're just gonna mix it up in the bowl. Now it's time for the egg to go in. We're gonna use about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of this just egg mix. Now what you're looking for is the ingredients to start coming together and holding. That egg is going to help bind our ingredients together. Now we're going to turn on our pan. In order to cook this burger through, our faux burger, we're going to need to cover it with a lid. So we're going to start it off by searing it, cover with a lid, and then when we're almost finished, we're going to flip it. Once your pan is up to temperature, we're going to add some oil into the pan. And because I want a really thick burger, I'm going to use a ring mold to keep the shape nice and tight and high. So when you do that, make sure you grease the inside of your ring mold. That way, when it's cooking, it slides out. Now we're going to place a ring mold in the pan, and we are going to add our mix directly into the ring mold. To make sure your burger's not sticking, give it a little shake in the pan. It'll help move the oil around on the bottom. Once you shake it around, you're going to add a lid to the top, turn it down to maybe around 275, 300 degrees, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, just like that. So it's 3/4 of the way cooked through. We're just going to flip it over to finish cooking and start plating. So right around now is the time you're going to add anything extra on top. For those who aren't completely vegan and can't live without cheese, now is the time to add your cheese. Just put it on top, cover, and wait for it to melt. So we're just going to toast our bun a little bit. All right, our buns are toasted, and we're going to start plating our burger. I've got an avocado, I've got some tomatoes, I got some onions. I really like avocado because it's the most natural mayonnaise you can ever find. Just make sure you add seasoning on top. Always add salt on top of your avocado. Now we're gonna add our onions and a slice of tomato. Same with tomatoes. It needs a little salt. Add some salt on top. And why not add some of the spice that you have from your burger mix. So now I'm gonna add our favorite hot sauce on top. So I have this like super spicy, delicious umami tomato. And we're gonna top it off with our bun. So there you have it. You have your quinoa broccoli burger with avocado, shaved onions, and tomatoes. Simple, easy, and delicious. Now we just need someone to try it. Hey Jen, you want to try a burger?
What do you got?
So I cooked a burger. It is vegan.
Yeah.
But I figured I'd get an honest opinion from a chef and a meat lover. There's no sauce.
All right.
There's just harissa. So if you want ketchup, now's the time to add it.
I'm gonna taste it first without.
Okay.
It looks delicious. It's really good. It's really like crispy, and it tastes meaty. Where did it happen?
You probably, I mean, why do you think it tastes meaty?
I think the quinoa in it.
Maybe the
Gives
broccoli?
it- Yeah. It's delicious.
So 1 out of 10. 10 being great, 1 being like, man, where does it fall? Just be honest.
I give it an 8.75.
That's pretty good.
It was really good. I love it. I'd be happy if you made this for me for lunch and dinner anytime. And broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables.
I think what's good about it is it, compared to other vegetarian burgers, it's got a lot of texture, a lot of structure. It's very simple. And most vegetarian burgers have so many ingredients. We only added 3 and salt and spice. So if you want to be like critical, 5.
Yeah. This is healthier.
It's definitely better for you. So please like this video, leave a comment below for us, and we'll catch you in the next one.
And I'm gonna go eat this burger.